Welcome to the Gujarat General Knowledge Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge of Gujarat. Let us begin the quiz. First question. What is the capital city of Gujarat? Here are the options. Ahmedabad, Surat, Gandhinagar, Vadodara. The correct answer is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. On which date was Gujarat formed as a separate state? The 1st of November 1956. The 15th of August 1947. The 1st of May 1960. The 26th of January 1950. The 1st of May 1960. Gujarat was created as a separate state on the 1st of May 1960 after the bilingual Bombay state was divided. Let us move to the next question. What is the approximate geographical area of Gujarat? Your options are about 96,024 square kilometers, about 296,024 square kilometers, about 196,024 square kilometers, about 146,024 square kilometers. The correct answer is about 196,024 square kilometers. Gujarat covers about 196,024 square kilometers. How many districts are there in Gujarat? 28, 33, 31, 35. 33. Gujarat currently has 33 districts. Ahmedabad, Kutch, Banaskantha, Rajkot. Kutch. Kutch is the largest district of Gujarat by geographical area. Which is the smallest district of Gujarat by area? Anand, Dam, Porbandar, Navsari. Dam is the smallest district of Gujarat by area. Next question. Which sea lies to the west and southwest of Gujarat? Answer choices. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Andaman Sea. The correct answer is Arabian Sea. Gujarat has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea. Gujarat is especially known among Indian states for having what? The highest mountain range, the longest coastline, the largest freshwater lake, the highest annual snowfall. The longest coastline. Gujarat has the longest coastline among Indian states. What is the principal official language of Gujarat? Marathi, Hindi, Sindhi, Gujarati. Gujarati is the principal official language of the state. What is the state animal of Gujarat? Asiatic lion, Bengal tiger, black buck, Indian elephant. Asiatic lion. The Asiatic lion is the state animal of Gujarat and is closely associated with the Gir landscape. Answer this next question. What is the state bird of Gujarat? Answer choices. Indian roller, Sarus crane, greater flamingo, great hornbill. The correct answer is greater flamingo. The greater flamingo is the state bird of Gujarat. Which region forms the large peninsula of western Gujarat? Malwa, Konkan, Bundelkhand. Saurashtra is the prominent peninsular region of Gujarat. How many elected seats are there in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly? 119, 200, 224, 182. 182. The Gujarat Legislative Assembly has 182 elected constituencies. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Gujarat? 17, 26, 25, 28. 26. Gujarat is represented by 26 Lok Sabha constituencies. Answer this next question. Is the Gujarat State Legislature unicameral or bicameral? Here are the options. Bicameral, unicameral, tricameral, non-legislative. The answer is unicameral. Gujarat has a single legislative chamber, the Legislative Assembly. Question number 16. Where is the principal seat of the Gujarat High Court? Answer choices. Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Surat. The correct answer is Ahmedabad. The Gujarat High Court is located in Ahmedabad. Question number 17. Which is the largest city of Gujarat? Choose the correct answer from these options. Gandhinagar, Bhuj, Junagadh, Ahmedabad. The correct answer is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city and a major commercial center of Gujarat. Which two major gulfs lie along the Gujarat coast? Gulf of Mannar and Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Cambay and Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambhat. Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambhat. The Gujarat coast includes the Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Khambhat. Gujarat shares an international land border with which country? Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan. Pakistan. Gujarat shares an international boundary with Pakistan in the northwest. Next question. Gujarat Day is celebrated every year on which date? Answer choices. The 2nd of June. The 15th of August. The 1st of November. The 1st of May. And the correct answer is the 1st of May. Gujarat Day marks the formation of the state on the 1st of May 1960. Now for the next question. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built across which river? Answer choices. Sabarmati River, Narmada River, Mahi River. The correct answer is Narmada River. Sardar Sarovar is a major multi-purpose project on the Narmada River. Answer this next question. Ukai Dam is built across which river? Options. Tapi River, Narmada River, Mahi River, Banas River. The correct answer is Tapi River. Ukai Dam is a major project on the Tapi River. Let us move to the next question. Kadana Dam is built across which river? Choose the correct answer from these options. Mahi River, Sabarmati River, Narmada River, Shethrunji River. The correct answer is Mahi River. Kadana Dam is constructed across the Mahi River. Dharoi Dam is built across which river? Tapi River, Bhadar River, Sabarmati River, Aji River. Sabarmati River. Dharoi Dam is built on the Sabarmati River. Question number 25. Which major river flows through Ahmedabad? Options. Narmada River, Sabarmati River, Tapi River, Mahi River. The correct answer is Sabarmati River. The Sabarmati River flows through Ahmedabad. Let us move to the next question. Near which city does the Narmada River reach the Gulf of Khambhat? Bhuj, Bharuch, Rajkot, Palanpur. The correct answer is Bharuch. The Narmada reaches the Arabian Sea through its estuary near Bharuch. The Great Run of Kutch is best described as what? A tropical rainforest, a vast salt mass, a freshwater delta, a volcanic plateau. A vast salt mass. The Great Run of Kutch is a vast seasonal salt mass. Answer this next question. The Little Run of Kutch is especially famous for which animal? Choose the correct answer from these options. One-horned rhinoceros, snow leopard, Hangal deer, Indian wild ass. The correct answer is Indian wild ass. The Little Run is the principal habitat of the Indian wild ass, also called khur. Which is Gujarat's well-known hill station in Dam district? Mount Abu, Matheran, Saputara, Pachmahi. Saputara. Saputara is a popular hill station in Dam district. Next question. Girnar Hill is located near which city? Choose the correct answer from these options. Surat, Bhavnagar, Gandhinagar, Junagadh. The correct answer is Junagadh. Girnar Hill is a major pilgrimage and natural landmark near Junagadh. Let us move to the next question. Gir National Park is world famous for conserving which animal? Options: Asiatic lion, Royal Bengal tiger. Red panda. The correct answer is Asiatic lion. Gir is the best known natural stronghold of the Asiatic lion. Velavada National Park is especially famous for which animal? Wild buffalo, black buck, musk deer, Nilgiri tahar. Black buck. Velavada Blackbuck National Park in Bhavnagar district is famous for black buck. India's first marine national park is located in which Gulf of Gujarat? Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambhat, Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Kutch. The marine national park is located in the Gulf of Kutch near Jamnagar. Nal Sarovar is best known as what? A hill fort. A bird sanctuary and wetland. A seaport. A bird sanctuary and wetland. Nal Sarovar is a famous wetland and bird sanctuary near Ahmedabad. Now for the next question. The wild ass sanctuary is mainly located in which region? Your options are Gir Hills, Dam Forests, Bhal Plains, Little Run of Kutch. The correct answer is Little Run of Kutch. The wild ass sanctuary protects the Little Run of Kutch landscape. Next question. Narayan Sarovar is located in which district? Options: Surat, Kutch, Anand, Dahod. And the correct answer is Kutch. Narayan Sarovar is an important pilgrimage and natural area in Kutch district. Purna Wildlife Sanctuary is mainly associated with which district? Dam, Patan, Morbi, Kheda. Dam. Purna Wildlife Sanctuary protects forest habitat in the Dam region. Question number 38. Vansda National Park is located in which district? Answer choices: Navsari, Jamnagar, Mehsana, Amreli. The correct answer is Navsari. Vansda National Park is a protected forest area in Navsari district. Thole Lake is especially known for which type of tourism? Skiing, desert safari, bird watching, scuba diving. Bird watching. Thole is a well-known wetland and bird watching site in North Gujarat. Answer this next question. Khej Bird Sanctuary is located near which city? Here are the options. Jamnagar, Patan, Vadodara. Godhra. The answer is Jamnagar. Khej Bird Sanctuary is a notable wetland bird habitat near Jamnagar. Who founded the city of Ahmedabad in 1411? Mahmud Begada, Siddharaj Jayasingh, Alauddin Khalji, Sultan Ahmad Shah I. Sultan Ahmad Shah I. Ahmedabad was founded by Sultan Ahmad Shah I in 1411. Question number 42. Sabarmati Ashram is most closely associated with whom? Here are the options. Swami Vivekanand, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhas Chandra Bose. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad was one of Mahatma Gandhi's principal residences during the freedom movement. Dandi is famous in Indian history for which event? Champaran Satyagraha, Quit India launch, Kakori action, Salt March. Salt March. Dandi became famous as the destination of the 1930 Salt March. Which city is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi? Porbandar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Bhavnagar. Porbandar. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar in 1869. The Statue of Unity is dedicated to whom? Mahatma Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Vikram Sarabhai. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Statue of Unity is a 182-meter tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let us move to the next question. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928? Your options are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Rajagopalachari. The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel led the Bardoli Satyagraha and earned wide recognition as Sardar. Question number 47. Rani Ki Vav, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located at which place? Here are the options. Dholavira, Patan, Palitana, Champaner. The correct answer is Patan. Rani Ki Vav is the celebrated Queen Stepwell at Patan. The famous Sun Temple of Gujarat is located at which place? Dwarka, Somnath, Modhera, Dakna. Modhera. The Modhera Sun Temple is a major heritage monument dedicated to Surya. Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park is located in which district? Kutch, Bharuch, Panchmahal, Valsad. Panchamahal. The UNESCO-listed Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park is in Panchmahal district. Indus Valley or Harappan civilization. Mauryan civilization. Gupta civilization. Indus Valley or Harappan civilization. Dholavira in Kutch was a major city of the Harappan civilization. Lothal is especially famous for which ancient feature? A rock-cut cave monastery. A marble palace. A dockyard. A hilltop observatory. A dockyard. Lothal is renowned for its Harappan-era dockyard and maritime activity. Somnath Temple is one of the famous Jyotirlinga shrines dedicated to which deity? Lord Vishnu, Lord Ganesha, Lord Surya, Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva. Somnath is one of India's celebrated Jyotirlinga temples of Lord Shiva. Here is the next question. Dwarkadhish temple is mainly dedicated to which deity? Choose the correct answer from these options. Lord Kartikeya, Lord Krishna, Lord Hanuman. The answer is Lord Krishna. Dwarkadhish temple at Dwarka is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Next question. Palitana is famous for a great complex of temples on which hill? Answer choices. Girnar Hill, Shatrunjay Hill, Pavagad Hill, Wilson Hill. The correct answer is Shatrunjay Hill. Palitana's celebrated Jain temple complex stands on Shatrunjay Hill. Ambaji is a major pilgrimage center dedicated to which goddess? Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Ganga, Goddess Annapurna, Goddess Amba. Goddess Amba. Ambaji is one of Gujarat's most important Shakti pilgrimage centers. Akshardham temple in Gujarat is located in which city? Gandhinagar, Rajkot, Surat, Bhuj. Gandhinagar. The Akshardham temple complex is located in Gandhinagar. Now for the next question. The Sidi Syed Mosque in Ahmedabad is famous for what? Options. Bronze statues, stone lattice or jali work, rock-cut caves, painted wooden ceilings. The correct answer is stone lattice or jali work. The mosque is famous for its intricate stone lattice windows, especially the Tree of Life design. Next question. Adalajni Vav is what type of monument? Here are the options. Sea fort, Buddhist stupa, stepwell, observatory. The correct answer is stepwell. Adalajni Vav near Gandhinagar is an ornate historic stepwell. Next question. Uparkot Fort is located in which city? Junagadh, Ahmedabad, Patan, Navsari. The correct answer is Junagadh. Uparkot is the historic hill fort of Junagadh. Question number 60. Lakshmi Vilas Palace is located in which city? Answer choices. Vadodara, Jamnagar, Bhuj, Mehsana. The correct answer is Vadodara. Lakshmi Vilas Palace is the celebrated royal palace of Vadodara. Let us move to the next question. Which dance form is most closely associated with Gujarat's Navratri celebrations? Answer choices. Bihu, Lavani, Garba, Ghumar. And the correct answer is Garba. Garba is the iconic community dance of Gujarat's Navratri festival. Garba of Gujarat was inscribed by UNESCO on which heritage list? World Natural Heritage List, Memory of the World Register, Representative List of the Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity, Global Geoparks List. Representative List of the Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity. UNESCO recognizes Garba of Gujarat as intangible cultural heritage. Question number 63. Dandiya Ras is traditionally performed using what? Choose the correct answer from these options. Clay lamps, metal plates, decorated sticks, long scarves. The correct answer is decorated sticks. Dandiya Ras is performed rhythmically with decorated sticks. Answer this next question. Patan is especially famous for which traditional textile? Options: chicken curry, patola, kanjivaram, fulkari. The correct answer is patola. Patan patola is Gujarat's celebrated double ikat silk weaving tradition. Bandhani is which type of textile technique? Block carving, metal embroidery, carpet knotting, tie-dye. Tie-dye. Bandhani creates patterns by tightly tying parts of fabric before dyeing. Answer this next question. Rogan art is especially associated with which part of Gujarat? Here are the options. Dang, Kutch, Central Gujarat, Charutar. The answer is Kutch. Rogan painting is a distinctive textile art preserved in Kutch. Question number 67. Ajrak is best known as which traditional craft? Choose the correct answer from these options. Block printing, stone carving, silver filigree, bamboo weaving. The correct answer is block printing. Ajrak is a complex resist and block printing tradition strongly associated with Kutch. Sankheda is famous for which traditional craft? Lacquered wooden furniture, blue pottery, bronze mirrors, cane baskets. Lacquered wooden furniture. Sankheda is renowned for colorful lacquered wooden furniture. Question number 69. Kuchi embroidery is especially associated with which region? Here are the options. Kutch, Panchmahal, South Gujarat, Charutar. The correct answer is Kutch. Kutch is famous for richly patterned embroidery traditions. Question number 70. Bhavai is a traditional Gujarati form of what? Here are the options. Classical painting, temple sculpture, boat racing, folk theatre. The correct answer is folk theatre. Bhavai is a traditional folk theatre form of Gujarat. Question number 71. Uttarayan in Gujarat is especially celebrated as which festival? Your options are Kite Festival, Boat Festival, Flower Festival, Monsoon Festival. The correct answer is Kite Festival. Uttarayan is famous for colorful kite flying across Gujarat. Ran Utsav is celebrated mainly in which region? Kutch, Dang, Bharuch, Panchmahal. Tanita Fair is held in which district? Surat, Surendranagar, Kheda, Narmada. Surendranagar. Tanita Fair is a famous traditional fair of Surendranagar district. Janmashtami is celebrated on a grand scale at which Gujarat pilgrimage city? Patan, Pavagadh, Dwarka, Dandi. Dwarka. Dwarka is one of Gujarat's most important centers for Janmashtami celebrations. Navratri literally refers to how many nights? Ten, 12, 9. 9. Navratri means 9 nights and is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Gujarat. Next question. What is the Gujarati New Year commonly called? Here are the options. Bestu Varas, Baisakhi, Pola Boishakh, Vishu. The correct answer is Bestu Varas. Bestu Varas is the traditional Gujarati New Year celebrated around the Diwali period. Now for the next question. Undiyu is best described as what? Here are the options. A rice pudding, a sweet flatbread, a mixed vegetable dish, a lentil drink. The answer is a mixed vegetable dish. Answer this next question. Dhokla is traditionally prepared mainly by which cooking method? Here are the options. Steaming, deep frying, roasting over coal, sun drying. The answer is steaming. Dhokla is a light steamed savory preparation made from fermented batter. Dhapla is a popular Gujarati form of what? Rice cake, sweet pudding, fried dumpling, flatbread. Flatbread. Dhapla is a thin spiced flatbread, often made with wheat flour and fenugreek. Here is the next question. Fafda is commonly paired with which sweet in Gujarat? Here are the options. Rasgulla, Mysore Pak, Sandesh. The answer is jalebi. Fafda and jalebi are a famous savory sweet combination in Gujarat. Which Gujarat city is closely associated with the Amul Dairy Cooperative Movement? Morbi, Patan, Porbandar, Anand. Anand. Anand became the center of the dairy cooperative movement represented by Amul. Who is widely known as the father of the White Revolution in India and worked closely with Anand's dairy movement? Verghese Kurian, M.S. Swaminathan, Homi Bhabha, Sam Pitroda. Verghese Kurian. Dr. Verghese Kurian played the central role in India's White Revolution and the Anand dairy model. Question number 83. The Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad is commonly abbreviated as what? Options. IITG, NIDA, PRLA, IMA. The correct answer is IMA. IMA stands for Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. Here is the next question. The National Institute of Design is headquartered in which Gujarat city? Options. Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar, Rajkot. Jamnagar. The correct answer is Ahmedabad. The National Institute of Design's main campus is in Ahmedabad. Here is the next question. The Physical Research Laboratory is located in which city? Options. Ahmedabad, Surat, Bhuj, Anand. And the correct answer is Ahmedabad. PRL, a major space and physical sciences research institution, is based in Ahmedabad. Indian Space Research Organisation Space Applications Centre is located in which city? Vadodara, Junagadh, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. The Space Applications Centre of Indian Space Research Organisation is located in Ahmedabad. Gift City is located near which Gujarat city? Bhuj, Porbandar, Amreli. Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar, Gujarat International Finance Tech City or Gift City, is located near Gandhinagar. Here is the next question. Which city of Gujarat is internationally famous for diamond cutting and polishing? Choose the correct answer from these options. Patan, Godhra, Junagadh, Surat. The correct answer is Surat. Surat is one of the world's major centers for diamond cutting and polishing. Which Gujarat city is especially famous for its ceramic industry? Dahod, Morbi, Navsari, Palanpur. Morbi. Morbi is a major ceramic and tile manufacturing center. Alang is internationally known for which industry? Tea processing, aircraft manufacturing, ship recycling, paper making. Ship recycling. Alang near Bhavnagar is one of the world's major ship recycling centers. Jamnagar is a major center for which heavy industry? Petroleum refining, tea processing, jute milling, aircraft assembly. Petroleum refining. Jamnagar is a major petroleum refining and petrochemical center. Deen Dayal Port, formerly called Kandla Port, is located in which district? Surat, Bhavnagar, Kutch, Navsari. Kutch. Deen Dayal Port is located in Kutch district. Let us move to the next question. Mundra Port is located in which district? Here are the options. Kutch, Patan, Anand, Dam. And the correct answer is Kutch. Mundra is a major port on the Kutch coast. CSIR Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute is located in which city? Ahmedabad, Rajkot. Vadodara, Bhavnagar. Bhavnagar. CSMCRI is a major CSIR research institute based in Bhavnagar. Next question. Who founded Gujarat Vidyapeeth in 1920? Here are the options. Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Narsin Mehta, Vikram Sarabhai. And the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Gujarat Vidyapeeth was founded by Mahatma Gandhi during the national movement. The Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda is located in which city? Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Gandhinagar. Vadodara. The Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda is located in Vadodara. Here is the next question. Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology is located in which city? Your options are Ahmedabad, Bhuj, Anand, Surat. The answer is Surat. SVNIT is a National Institute of Technology located in Surat. Answer this next question. Amul originated from a milk producers cooperative in which Gujarat district? Your options are Kheda, Anand, Patan, Kutch. The answer is Anand. The cooperative movement that created Amul developed around Anand in central Gujarat. The National Salt Satyagrah Memorial is located at which place? Bardoli, Porbandar, Dandi, Modhera. Dandi. The National Salt Satyagrah Memorial is at Dandi in Navsari district. Now for the next question. Kankaria Lake is a famous attraction in which city? Here are the options. Bhuj, Dwarka, Ahmedabad, Valsad. The correct answer is Ahmedabad. Kankaria Lake is one of Ahmedabad's best-known recreational landmarks.